Welcome to Raptor Restoration, one of Central Indiana's best in residential and commercial disaster restoration. Our expertise extends to roofing repair, roof replacement, siding, windows, and gutters. We understand the impact of disasters on your home and business. That's why we're dedicated to providing swift, reliable restoration services. At Raptor Restoration, customer satisfaction is our top priority. We work closely with you to meet your specific needs and expectations. Whether it's storm damage or a fire, we're here to help. Our comprehensive restoration services cover all types of disasters. From the initial assessment to the final repair, we handle every step of the restoration process. This ensures a seamless and stress-free experience for you. We pride ourselves on our prompt response times. We're always ready to assist you when you need it most. Roofing issues can cause significant damage if not addressed quickly. Our expert roofing repair and replacement services are designed to protect your home. Our friendly and professional team is here to support you every step of the way. We aim to make the restoration process as smooth and hassle-free as possible. Call us today at 3-1-78-860-696 for a consultation. Visit our website at raptorrestorationusa.com for more information. You can also see testimonials from our satisfied clients. We are more than just a service provider. We are dedicated to helping restore your home and your dreams. Raptor Restoration, restoring homes, rebuilding lives.